Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Ever wondered what makes you, well, you? What tells your eyes to be blue, brown, or green? Or what makes your hair curly or straight? The answer lies deep inside trillions of tiny little packages in your body called cells. Today, we're going on an amazing journey into the microscopic world to meet the boss of the cell, the nucleus. So, what exactly is a cell? Think of it like a miniature city. It has power plants, factories, transportation systems, and even a recycling center. And just like any well-run city needs a city hall or a command center, every one of your cells has a nucleus. This isn't just any old office building. The nucleus is the high-tech, super-secure control center that runs the entire show. Picture this. We're shrinking down, smaller than a grain of sand, smaller than a speck of dust, until we can pass right through the cell's outer wall. Inside, it's a bustling world of activity, and right there, usually near the center, is a large, often spherical structure. That's our destination, the nucleus. It's surrounded by its own protective barrier, called the nuclear envelope, which acts like a security gate, carefully controlling what comes in and what goes out. Now for the really cool part. Inside this fortress is the most precious treasure in the entire cellular city, your DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's the ultimate instruction manual for life. Imagine a massive, incredibly long library of blueprints. These blueprints contain all the information needed to build and operate you. From the color of your eyes to how your body fights off germs, it's all written in your DNA code. This giant molecule is so long that if you stretched out the DNA from just one cell, it would be about 2 meters long. So how does it all fit inside a tiny nucleus? The cell is incredibly smart about storage. It coils and packs the DNA into super compact structures called chromosomes. Think of it like winding a very, very long thread onto tiny spools so it doesn't get tangled. The nucleus doesn't just store this information, it actively uses it. When the cell needs to make a new protein or perform a specific function, the nucleus sends out a copy of the relevant instructions. This copy, called RNA, is like a messenger that takes the blueprint from the secure library out to the cell's factories, where the work gets done. This process ensures the original DNA blueprint is always kept safe and sound inside the nucleus. So, from orchestrating cell growth and division to dictating every single trait that makes you unique, the nucleus is the undisputed master controller. It's the brain, the library, and the CEO of the cell, all rolled into one. It's a beautiful, complex, and vital part of what makes life possible. Thanks so much for joining me on this microscopic adventure today. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next deep dive into the wonders of science. See you in the next video.